Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Gabriel at MarineMax in St. Pete, the Aquila hub. And today I'm going to take you on a tour of our Aquila 44. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more awesome videos like this one. So we're starting our tour on the bow of this Aquila 44. We have a 21-foot, 6-inch beam on this bow. Lots of room. So lots of room for a sun pad up here, 2 chairs, cooler in the center. Pick your poison, however you want to enjoy the day. We have a center walk-through windshield to the Flybridge as well, so you can easily entertain 2 different parties on this boat. All right guys, a couple things I want to point out when we're walking through the side of the boat is we have a grab handle here down below to just help you get to the back of the boat. Also, look how big this is. You can almost stand side by side with someone walking to the back of the boat. Same like that on the other side. So really ease of access on this boat is pretty impeccable. So making our way aft on the Aquila 44, this is the aft dining area back here. It's huge. You have the table that actually comes down. You have a sun pad in there that fills in, and this whole entire place becomes a chill out zone. Behind that, you have a huge dinghy davit crane to have your tender on the back. Usually it's a 12-foot tender. Makes it easy to swing it out, put it in the water when you need to go island hopping or bar hopping. And you also have 2 enormous platforms on either side of the boat that help you enjoy the water even more. So my favorite part of this boat is right here at the bar. So this back window comes up, the bar comes down, and it's ready for drinks. This is a huge entertaining section of the boat because you also have your aft dining area behind you, and just opens up the entire boat as you see here. No obstructions. You can see everybody on this boat and be in touch and tune with everybody that you have in your party. Moving up to the Flybridge of the Aquila 44, you see an enormous hardtop. Gives you a ton of shade up here. Definitely the best seat in the house, you would say. Gives you the best vantage point of everything. Also, you have a dining section up here, just like the one you have down below. And you also have a wet bar here. So you'll have your grill and your sink here when you open this up. You also have an ice maker down below as well in this particular model. All right guys, so one of the top features about a Cat is not only its space, but its maneuverability. A lot of people seem to think that maneuvering a Cat is actually difficult, but it's a lot easier than people think. Your 2 engines are very far apart from each other, makes it very easy to dock this boat using the engines against each other. Here up front, you have all the electronics you need. So you have your vessel view system here for your Volvo Pentas. You have a 16-inch Raymarine in the center. You have your autopilot, your depth gauge, everything seasoned captain would need. A great vantage point of everything. You stand up here, you can easily see the back of the boat. You can easily see the front, and you're good to go. For all you gearheads, wanted to open up the back engine hatch, or one of them per se, and really show you the inner workings of an Aquila 44. It's huge down here. So they really want to promote you doing your own work. Everything is labeled down here as well, so very user-friendly, kind of like your iPhone. You can jump in here, make sure your strainers are good. Everything looks good down here. So we're gonna make our way up, and we're gonna show you the inside. Making our way into the galley of the Aquila 44. Here we're just behind the flip down bar top. So best thing about the Aquila 44, whether you're cooking, whether you're doing dishes or anything you'd need to do housework on the boat, you're still part of the party, which is awesome. So you have your induction cooktop here, and then you have a ton of storage everywhere you look for pots, pans, anything you can imagine. Port and starboard side, you have your twin rooms. They're identical images of each other. And then you also have heads attached to each of them. We're here in the port side room of our Aquila 44. As you see, tons of space. Lots of space for a 6'5" guy to stand up, easy. Lots of space to even move around. So the starboard side is the identical image of this boat. So you've seen one, you've seen both. You look behind you have your shower and you have your head. So here in our dinette area of the Aquila 44, as you see, 360 degrees around, you have a vision of everything around you. Tons of natural light in the boat, so no need to waste electricity and turn on lights because this boat's going to be lit up no matter what. You can sit down here, enjoy a nice dinner. You can also watch TV from the pop-up TV that comes out of the cabinet area here. Alright guys, so why do people buy an Aquila 44? One of the reasons is because of space, and you see that evidently here in our master cabin. This is the master cabin. It's forward. It is a beam-wide master. So you take advantage of that 21-foot 6 beam in this large master. You have a king island bed in the center, nice workspace right here down below, and behind you is the head and the shower. All right guys, that concludes our tour of this beautiful Aquila 44. If you guys want more information on the boat, call us here at MarineMax St. Pete, the Aquila hub. We'd love to take care of you guys. I'm going to grab a drink here at the bar. You're welcome to join us later on.